Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. So, after completing Unit 9, the Magic Money Bag, today I am going to teach you Unit 11 poem. Okay? Because continue two story are there. So, one story already Unit 9 I completed. So, today I will teach you Unit 11 3 Wishes poem. Next day I will teach you Unit 10, that story, that is one characters drama. So after completing this poem I will teach you Unit 10. Don't be confused and no need to make any problem. Now open your textbook, page number 82. The poem name is 3 Wishes. Okay, so 3 wishes. All you are all are having some wish. No, you want to do something in your mind. So that wishes, that poem, who was written? Carla Cuskin. Carla Cuskin, the poet, she wants to show her own wish to you by the poem. Okay, so let's get started. The poem, first I will read the poem 2 times, then I will explain to you. Now open page number 82. When you think of the word wish, what are the things that come to your mind? Think of 3 things that you would wish for and write them down. Now read this poem. So this is poem 1 for 3 wish. 3 wish, all are having wishes now. So 3 wishes, that wish only have to explain. Did the poet Carla Cuskin. Okay. Now I will read start. 3 wishes. 3. The first, a tree. Dark bark, green leaves under a bit of blue, a canopy. To glimpsing sky through, to watch sun sift through, to catch light rain upon the leaves and lift it fall again. A place to put my eye beyond the window frame. Next page. Wish to a chair, not hard or high, one that fits comfortably, set by the window tree. And inside in the room, for me, my own place to sit and be alone. My tree there, here my chair me, rain, sky, sun, all my wishes, all the things I need, but one wish. 3. A book to read. Written by Carla Cuskin. I repeat once again the poem. You listen children. Any pronunciation problem means can't understand means you can watch the video, can understand and can practice at home. And I did underline also the new words. 3 wishes. 3. The first, a tree. Dark bark, green leaves under a bit of blue, a canopy. To glimpse the sky through, to watch sun sift through, to catch light rain upon the leaves and let it fall again. A place to put my eye beyond the window frame. Wish 2. A chair, not hard or high, one that fits comfortably, set by the window tree. An island in the room, for me my own place to sit and be alone. My tree there, here my chair, me. Rain, sky, sun, all my wishes, all the things I need, but one wish. 3. A book to read. Written by Carla Cuskin. Okay, so children, in this poem, the poet wanted to show her wish one by one. Three wishes had. What the first a tree. What that first wish? Tree. Which type tree? Dark bark, green leaves, covered with green leaves, and under a bit of blue of a canopy. Means where the branches and leaves that spread out at the top of the group of trees, forming a type of roof. Like roof only make that shade, this type of tree. Okay. To glimpse the sky through, to watch sun shift through. See how the tree glimpses sky through a bit of blue means the sky. Where bit of blue means it covered with sky. After that the tree was full covered with green leaves. To catch light rain upon the leaves and let it fall again. See, sometimes the tree catch the rain, again it will fall again slowly. A place to put my eyes beyond the window frame. So whenever I put my eyes there, that far, I can see that picture only. Next children, wish to a chair, not hard or high, not more hard or high also. One that fits comfortably set by the window tree. Wherever the window side the tree was there, first wish tree, that side only window side, that chair should be sit there comfortably, no need to shake, no need to move, that place only have to fix. An island in the room for me, my own place to sit and be alone. Nobody should disturb me, she should be alone, and an island in the room. Island means full cover, she only have to there, nobody can come there. Only the tree from the outside beyond the tree window and inside chair, she has to sit and see the picture. Okay, it is her wish. So number one tree, number two chair. Next, my tree there, here my chair me. Tree also there, chair also there me. Rain, sky, sun, all my wishes. What she want? Rain want, sky want, sun. All the things I need but one. Wish three. What the wish three? A book to read. She will take her book and to read in front of the window where outside the tree. So first one tree, second one chair, third one to read a book. Okay. So I hope children you can understand the poem and you have to learn the new words. Page number 83 down and 84 top also, two are there. Next, choose the correct answer. I already teach the children choose the correct answer. Complete in your textbook only. A1. Next, A2. Answer the following questions. Children, answer the following questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 questions are there. In these 6 questions, you have to write only 5. Fifth one, don't want, I put cross for that one. No need to write, that is except others 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I will send the notes to you. You have to complete. Okay. Next, in an appreciation corner, a bit of blue is an interesting way in which the poet has described the sky as seen through the shades of a canopy. Can you think of some exciting ways of describe? This one I given to you for nature things. It is your own. So you have to write yourself only. You imagine and write in your homework purpose. In your textbook only. See the places are there. Moon, grass, rose, mango. Pictures also they given. You write yourself. The shiny orange yolk. How the sun looks? A shiny orange yolk. So like that only silver shining plate, half crescent, the moon, about grass, about rose, about mango you can do. Next, B2 association game. Let's play the association game in this poem. In the first stanza, the poet talks about a tree. What are the associated wood words used? Dark, bark, green leaves, canopy. So, chair. See here given, write down 3 words associated with each of the following. About chair, about window, about room, about rain, about book. You can write your own words associated with the following words. Okay, whatever you imagine, you can write, think and write. Next, children, creative corner. Which of the following things are you most likely to do if you want to relax? Which would you do not? Rank them in the order in which. This is your homework I given you. You have to complete in your textbook only. See, reading, book reading, playing, computer watching, playing game in computer, play with pets, and time means spend the time with pets and spend the time with friends. Which one you like, you can put tick order wise. Which one first? First one. Next 2. Next 3. Next 4. Like that. Okay. Next C2 had given research work. Have you heard about Satyajit Ray, the famous Indian film director? He made a series of this movie called the Guppy Bagha series, in which the main characters Guppy and Bagha were granted 3 wishes by the king of ghosts. Do a little search on the internet and find out what 3 wishes were granted to them. See children, it is a very nice story and nice movie. If you possible, you can watch. You can request your parents, they will watch you. This is your home, one type of activity. Guppy Gayan and Bagha Bayan. 2 friends are there. One is singer, one is player. Means he used to play the drum, big drum like dhol. That so they went by mistake. They went to the ghost kingdom, and they suddenly asked their wish to the gods, and gods what they did in the story you can see. So I hope you will complete your homework properly. Easy homework I given, not writing homework children. I will send the notes next to you. I hope you all understand. Bye children.